Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyelids. Today I'm going to be using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to take my Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner in the shade Blacklist. It's just a black gel liner. I'm going to apply this all over my lid and then I'm going to blend it out with a brush. This is going to be the base for my black shadow, just so I have a very nice and bright look. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to take a brush and blend the harsh edges that we have here. Now I'm just going to take a brush and I'm going to be taking this nightingale. I'm going to be taking this Nightingale eyeshadow palette from Pretty Vulgar. I've never used eyeshadow from this brand before, so this is a first. So yeah, this is like a very cool toned eyeshadow palette. Not up my alley, but like it's cute. But anyways, I'm just going to be taking this shade right here called All Nighter. Be popping that right on top of that black. Then I'm just going to use the rest of that excess eyeshadow and blend it up into the crease. Now with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend the harsh edges. Everything could be nice and blended seamlessly. Okay, on the lower lash line, I'm going to take that same black gel liner. I'm going to apply it right on there. Then I'm going to take that All Nighter eyeshadow once again. I'm going to pop that right on top. Take the Sigma E36 blending brush and I'm just going to blend the harsh edges under my eyes. And then kind of just like wing it out. Now I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to cut my crease today because I haven't done a cut crease in a long time and I'm just like feeling a cut crease. Now I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay Elements palette. This is like my new favorite palette for shimmers. So I'm gonna, ooh, okay, I can barely open it. So the first shade I'm gonna be going into is Silver Burn, and it's this shade right here. Then I'm gonna be taking the shade Electric Air, which is the shade right here, mixed in with this shade right in the center. And I'm just going to brighten up the lid a little bit, right in the front. Now I'm going to take the shade Heavy Water, which is this blue shade right here. No, I'm not. I lied. I'm actually going to take the shade Sapphire Dream, and I'm going to pop that right around the outer third of my eye. I love it. Like, it's actually stunning. Then I'm just going to take that black shadow again and just blend those edges here with the Sigma E36 brush. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Heavy Water, which is the blue shade right here, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner to highlight. I'm going to take this hard candy glitter, and it's a Pop and Pigments glitter in the shade Land and Sea, and I'm just going to be sprinkling on just a little bit of that on the center of my lid just to give it a bit of a pop. It's like very subtle. Okay, so now that the eyes are finished, it's time to move on to the face. So I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes. What? I'm gonna start off by priming my face, okay, like I always do. And this is the Dermalogica Hydro Blur Primer. You guys already know how I feel about it if you've been watching my channel for a while now. I'm gonna be using my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Stop, won't stop. We get down, baby. We get down, baby. Girls, they love us. We stay fresh to death, you're the best. Yeah, I'm gonna be using my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mocha. I take about 2 generous pumps of it. You guys, I'm so sorry, but I always forget to include what brushes I use for my face sometimes in my eyes. So I'm really sorry about that. But the brush that I'm going to use to blend on my foundation, shut up. To blend on my foundation is this high def F4 brush from Shop Miss A. It came inside of a like $5 or $10 brush kit, but I believe they sell it separately now. So conceal today, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C13. And I don't know why, I just did not like this concealer when it first came out as like a big thing. But I've just been loving it lately. Like, I never put concealer on my forehead because like, why would I do that? My forehead looks like, I feel like my forehead is like big enough or a good size that I just don't need to put any highlighter there. Put a little smudge of this this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. Just a smidget. Whoa. Just a smidge of that. A little smidge. Even though I just put like more than a smidge, but go off. Take my Pure Cameo contour stick that I love, and I'm gonna contour my cheekbones because I want to be hella snatched today. Because I got the ponytail, I got the smoky eyeliner. I just need to be snatched today. So that's what we're doing. I'm just going to blend out all of this with my beauty sponge. And this is also from Shop Miss A. Everything is literally $1 on that site. So you guys should really check them out. For powder, of course, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Deep. Okay, now it's time to bronze up my skin. Okay, hunty. I'm going to be using my Morphe M527 brush that I freaking love. And I'm going to be using this Juvia's Place the Zulu palette. I'm taking this brown shade like I always do. And I'm going to use that to bronze up my cheeks. NYX Oily Glow highlighter in the shade Brick Road, and I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones today, and I'm gonna use my Sigma Spotlights Duster Brush F37 brush. And I do have a code with Sigma, it's just Mega by Shania, and you guys will save some coin on your products. It is affiliate code, so if you don't want to use it, you don't have to, but if you want to save some money, you can use it, you know. Take my Total Temptation brow pencil by Maybelline. I'm gonna line my lips as well with that. lips. I'm gonna go in with this Ultra Hi-Fi Shine lip gloss from Urban Decay in the shade Fuel. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be leaving all the products that I used in this video in the description box down below for you guys to check out, along with some coupon codes for you guys to save some money. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat if you want. All Makeup by Shania, and I'll see you guys in the next video.